Hi guys, welcome back to Where to Next, and I'm Miss Johnny, and today we're going to do a room tour of a 2-queen suite with a sofa bed here at the DoubleTree Hilton Disney Springs. So here you have it. You come in, this is the living room slash dining area, and also we have what they consider to be like a wet bar. So we have an area here where you can be able to store things, make your coffee or tea. It's kind of like a little kitchenette area, has a sink that you can be able to wash your hands or clean out various dishes. We have a microwave here, and this is a mini fridge, and it has lots of storage space. So I really shouldn't say a kitchenette because there's not a stovetop, but it gets the job done, right? So table where you can be able to have lunch or dinner, basically have your meals, play card games if you play cards, etc. Be able to sit and socialize. And then there is the sofa. That's my mom. Say hello. Hi. All right. So this pulls out to a sofa bed. And of course, we have the lovely television. And let's take a look at the room. Now, what I do love about this bedroom so far is the barnyard door. Isn't she lovely? We have 2 queen beds in here. And of course, we have a television, and there is dresser space. This does not have a balcony or patio, but they do have some suites that do have it. And you saw earlier the beautiful artwork on the wall. And I like the light fixtures in here too. I think it's really cute. And of course, there is a full-length mirror, and we know that we love to do a fit check, right? So here we have more storage space, and really if you had like your iPad with the keyboard, you could possibly get a little work done here. I'm just using it for storage. And then we have the closet space here as well. Lots of mirrors to be able to see what you look like. And of course, there's the bathroom, which has the standard bathroom amenities, a tub and shower, as well as a vanity area, and beautiful mirror with LED lights. And for those of you that do wear makeup, you'll probably like this lighting. Well, that's it for our tour. Well, let's not close it in the bathroom, right? But that's it for our tour. We'll do another video showing you the hotel. For those of you that are coming to Walt Disney World, or those of you that are headed to SeaWorld, or let's not forget Epic Universe that recently opened, this is a great spot. It's not far from Universal. It's not, of course, it's right within the Disney bubble. So, and I think we're not far from SeaWorld either. So, great place to stop. Check it out. The deals were pretty good. This room was $630 for 2 nights. But if you have Hilton points, if you're a Hilton Honors member, you can also apply your points as well. Until next time, catch you later.